How to fix contact poster not working after iOS 18 update. So if you want to fix your contact poster not working after iOS 18 update, then what you need to do is first you need to launch your contacts application. Now at the top, you need to tap on My Card. In my case, I've already added a contact poster, but if in your case, if you've not added, then you just need to simply go with Add, which will be on the bottom of your screen. It might look like this. You need to enter your name, add your picture, update your name, likewise choose your poster, select any of the option. You can go with the avatar section or choose from your gallery as well. Once done, go with the tick, which will be on the top right. Or if this doesn't work, then you need to open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on the messages option. Go with apps. Scroll down again, tap on messages. Ensure the iMessage is turned on and tap on send and receive and confirm your phone number as well as your email address. Next thing is the contact poster may not display if the incoming call alert is set to banner instead of a full screen. You need to check that by heading over to your settings, then scroll down a bit, and then you will navigate to the option of phone or go with apps and then tap on phone. Head over to the option of incoming calls, which is right below the language, and check for the option of full screen. If the solution does not work, then reset all of your settings. For that, you need to head back and then you need to go with general, scroll all the way down, tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Go with reset all settings, and after resetting, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.